Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhamad Naqip Haqqim bin Nasiruddin. My metric number is S62707. And today I will be making a video to answer a question in my assignment for Marine Physics. Without further explanation, let's go to my video. For the first question, what are the contributions of solar radiation systems to the ocean? One of the contributions that being made from solar radiation system to the ocean is by providing marine plants light energy to perform photosynthesis. By doing that, the solar radiation system allow the ocean to have their own ecosystem. For example, algae, other organisms such as phytoplanktons and other fishes. The question 2. What are the ocean optical properties? One of the ocean optical properties is the easy water enables the wavelength of light that are around 450 to the 495 nanometers, which is the blue color, while the wavelength that is around 620 to the 750 nanometer, which is the red color, cannot penetrate the sea. This is because the wavelength of the blue color are shorter than the red color, causing the wavelength to penetrate deeper. The wavelength of the red color, on the other hand, has longer wavelength, causing the wavelength to be absorbed by the sea. For the last question, what are the devices that are used to measure the turbidity? Okay, the device that being used is called turbidimeter, or being easier to being called as turbidimetry. The working principle of this device is when an incident beam of visible light is passed through a sample in a cuvette, and the intensity of the transmitted light is then measured. As argentum AB complexes form, light is increasingly scattered away from the incident light path, resulting in a reduction in the transmitted light intensity. So, in this case, when light passes through the suspension, part of the energy of the falling radiation is transmitted through absorption, reflection, and the rest will be transmitted. The water sample is then partially absorbed and partially passed through, and the absorbed light is the level of the turbidity. Therefore, the more the light is absorbed, the more turbid the water.